Good morning, children. How are you? I hope all of you are studying well. So, write the test paper, a PT1, very well. Okay. So, let's move on to the revision. Are you ready? Let's have a quick look at your revision. English revision, PT1 revision. Okay. So, all the questions are in MCQ format. You can choose the correct answer and uh, first you choose all the answer and then submit the answers. Okay, so let's start. Bagheera and first question is this: Bagheera and Balu went called layers to save Mowgli. So your answers are true or false. So which one is correct? Yeah, it is true. Next one, number 2. Midday nap means dash. So the answer is what? Danger or afternoon sleep? Yeah, it is afternoon sleep. Question number 3. Who taught Mowgli the laws of the jungle? Ran Balu. Who? Balu is the answer. Next one, fourth one. Fancy means dash. What's the answer? Is it imagine or song? Yeah, imagine is the answer. Question number 5. The writer of the story, The Jungle Book. Who is the writer of the story, Jungle Book? It is it Lewis Carroll or Rudyard Kipling? Yeah, it is Rudyard Kipling. Next one, number 6. Whom did Mowgli ask for help? Baloo ran. Whom ran? Question number 7. The writer of the story, Alice Adventures in Wonderland. Lewis Carroll, Sukumar Ray. Who is the writer? Yeah, it is Lewis Carroll. Next one, question number 8. Alice found the glass box dash. So choices are near the door, under the table. What is the answer? Yeah, it is under the table. Why was Alice crying? So what is the answer? Alice had lost her rabbit or she had shrunk after drinking the liquid in the bottle. Which one is the answer? Yeah, it is B. That is, she had shrunk after drinking the liquid in the bottle. Question number 10. What did Alice find on the three-legged table? So choices are a little golden key, an apple. So which one is the answer? It is a little golden key. Next one, 11th one. I advise you to leave off this minute. Here, I is dash. Who is I here? Is it Emily or Alice? Yeah, it is Alice. Next one, question number 12. The golden key opened the dash. The choices are round door in the hallway, small door behind the curtain. Which one is the answer? Yeah, small door behind the curtain. Question number 13. Seeing the cake, Alice decided to dash. Options are eat it, leave it untouched. What is the answer? Eat it. Question number 14. Tuneful poem means options are a sweet song. Another one is dance. So which is the correct answer? A sweet song. Next one. The frog sang a sad song. Is it true or false? It is false. The frog sang a happy song, isn't it? Okay. Number 16. The elephant was dash. Is it short-tempered or friendly? Yeah, it is short-tempered. Next one. Last question in this revision 1 is, where did the frog live? Choices are in the palace in a hall at the foot of the tree. So, what is the answer? In a hall at the foot of the tree. So, all of you write this question and answers in your notebook and study well. This is the model of your PT1 English exam. Okay, study well, and we can continue with revision 2 the next day with grammar. So, write well. All the best. Today's activity is you should click on to the link given in the description box and do the text given there. Okay, you have to do the test given there, and you will get the score that time, and you have to say how many answers are correct and how many answers are wrong. Before doing the test, please watch the class. I hope all of you understood today's revision class. So all of you write the revision questions in your notebook and also do the assessment given, the test given in this description box. Just click on to the link and do the test. So study well. All the best.